Hi guys! Hi! So, we came to Forvie and who knew, but we got off at the wrong bus stop and then it's like raining pellets in our faces. Look at this! But look at this view! Gorgeous. And there's a little house up there. What if you live there? Your life would be bomb. And steep. Hi again.
Hi. We see a cave, and so
We're gonna head that way.
do you want to see it? We'll show them.
Okay. You see that dark spot opening? We think that looks cave-like.
And we need a place to eat our lunch, so here we go.
So we got on this cliff and there's no way down because as you can see it's very high tide. So we're gonna try to get into the water here. There's just... We see this like awesome land. What? Oh, you're going a different way than I thought you were.
Oh, that way?
I thought you were going right there. I don't know. Do whatever you feel most comfortable. I don't want you to feel...
No, that is better because there's stairs.
But that requires you being wet.
No, not if I run.
Okay, just time it.
Okay.
That's just ocean. Like that is just the ocean. I'm watching you. Oh my gosh, that's a river. One. Okay, another wave's coming. You got it. This is impossible.
I think that way's better.
Okay.
No, this way.
Go, just go. Well, we're at the end of the trail.